Guys, my whole night is blessed. Seeing this pre-wedding photo, I'm so happy. Finally. Hey! It's not easy after all the ups and downs. Chioma conquered everything. Nebiko, come and teach me how to not give an F of anything that is happening around me, because I really need to learn from you. Do you get? But forget, Davido truly loves and adores Chioma. Look at now. No matter how hard a man is, there is this one soul that whenever he sees, he will mellow down. We call it Mumu button. Chioma is the Mumu button of Davido. Take it or leave it. Davido will misbehave, but when it comes to Chioma, no take her play for where he deal. They use and play. You can joke around with anything, but not when it concerns his wife. See now, my resting place. See as he just put his head. Oh jeez, I just dey happy. Oh my God, I blessed today. Like today is blessed already. And anybody that is seeing this picture and you want a husband, I'm connecting you to this particular picture. Your man is coming. Say hello. I'm so happy. Davido 2024, day easy. Thank God finally everything is settled. I'm really happy for Chioma. I'm happy for her. We 30 BGs are happy for our 002. Day easy. My people, type in congratulations in the comment section. I don't want to see any negative comment too. Any negative comment now, straight blocking. Yes, that's my own. Okay, guys, stay safe out there. See you one and only. I'm girl Cindy. Now.